All right, guys, let's see what's in this package. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Kolybel lashes. This video is sponsored by Kolybel lashes. Look at this. This is cute. Fancy, huh? What's inside? We got some treats. So we have some Kolybel Ultimate Eyelash Extensions 0.05 D curl. So that tells me that these are volume lashes. 0.05 D Mix Self Fanning Lashes volume. Some pretty pink tape. This is cute. It says lash palette. It's very cute. A little kit with a glue ring, mascara wand, like the wands and the eye patches that you would use when you are doing lashes. Tweezers for volume lashes. And a gel remover. We're going to have to get our mannequin head for this. A gel remover. And some Kolybel Diamond Adhesive 5 ml Lash Glue. So we are going to try this out today, girls. So this video is for all my lash babes, whether you're a new lash tech or old lash tech, want to become a lash tech. I'm going to show you today how these lashes fan out. This company does have nice lashes. So if you're planning any lash classes or just doing lashes in general, click the links down below in my description box and place your order. There's a discount code also that you can use for your order, and I'm gonna put it on the screen as well. So yeah, place your order and get you some of these lashes, girl. And lash, even if you're practicing how to do volume lashes, purchase this tray. You won't be disappointed, and get to work. Follow this video. I have another video on how to do volume lashes. You just have to practice, because I'm telling you, volume lashes does not come easy. Even after you learn it, you should still practice it. So yeah, let's get into this. So yes, make sure you use the code KIKI6 to get you some money off. And so I have my sponge. This is what I like to practice my fans on. And then I'm going to show you on my mannequin head how to remove your lashes. So we're going to be using the L-shape tweezers. You want to make sure you have good tweezers when doing volume lashes, because if your tweezers are cheap and no good, it will show, because you will struggle making volume lashes. I'm just telling you now. Also, I have a video on how to make your own lash shampoo. So make sure you check that out. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at lavishLooks_by Kiki. And let's be friends, you know? You need these micro wands to clean the lashes. You need your spoolie to brush the natural lashes and brush the lash extensions throughout your lashing to make sure nothing's sticking together. You need, I call them lipstick wands. lipstick applicators. But you need those also. You can use those to clean your lashes, or you can use those at the end to apply your lash sealer. And then, oh, they have the cute rings. So they have the cute glue ring that helps you ensure that you get a skinny base because it has the little slashes on the side. So I'm going to show you how that goes. You want to make sure you shake your glue well. Shake, shake, shake. Get everything mixed together. Because if it's not, I'm telling you now, good luck when you get ready to try to attach that lash extension to the natural lash. It's not going to work because your glue's not mixed good. 2 drops into the glue ring. Put your glue ring on whichever finger is good for you, whatever's comfortable for you. 1, 2. Damn it, I got glue on my finger. Whatever. So first I'm gonna use the ultimate eyelash extension. So we're gonna use this tray first. These are 8 through 15 mm. That's the length. The lashes feel nice and soft, and that's how volume lashes should feel, because you know you're putting 2 to 10 lashes fanned out. You're putting 2 to 10 fanned out lashes on one individual natural lash. So you need to ensure that these lashes are lightweight, and these feel very good. So I'm gonna go in with 15 mm. I like to put my strip on the back of my hand. That works for me. But they have this lash tile. You can put it on the lash tile. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna put it on the lash tile, but I usually put mine on the back of my hand. Also have this tile for your glue. To get your spoolie, brush those lashes out, make sure they're not sticking. Get your handy dandy tweezers. You're going to look for your sweet spot, which is usually in the middle. So let's see how this goes. Pinch. Light pinch. Just like that. Dip it in your glue. These lashes, they don't stick at the bottom. They're not. Get your. All right, I gotta try a different tweezer. So this is my trick. I get my nail filer. Go like that. Make sure there's no glue or anything on in between my tweezers. I'm going to go like this. Pick up a few lashes in the middle in my sweet spot. Pull it forward like so. Take my 2 index fingers and I'm going to pinch. Voila, magic. You see how that just fanned out? Like butter. Dip it. Swipe it on the side to get an even skinnier base. And place it down. And there's a fan. You see that fan? Nice fan. Let's do that again. Get us a few lashes in our sweet spot. Pull it forward. Get rid of that. 2 index fingers, get it in the middle, light pinch, that, dip, swipe, place. So the tweezers, I had a hard time with these tweezers, so I had to get my go-to tweezers that I use when I do lashes. Let's get into the self-fanning lashes. 0.05 D-curl. Like I told you, these are for volume lashes. This tray goes from 8 mm to 15. We're going to use 15. It looks like it's darker, has a darker look than the other lash. It has a different feel. It's soft, but not as soft as the other one. These feel a little thicker, and they have a more black, darker look to it. Like a matte. Nice. I like dark lashes. All right. So I'll use their tweezer first, and then if it doesn't work, I'm going to my everyday tweezer. Same thing, pick up a nice amount of lashes, sweet spot, pull it forward. Yeah, I don't think this tweezer is gonna work. All right, self-fanning trays, usually when you pull them off the tray, you're doing the same steps. You're getting a few lashes, sweet spot, pull them forward. 2 fingers, pinch. Dip, swipe, stick. Self-fanning trays, they usually come off the tray already stuck together at the base. I'm not a fan of that. Some people don't like that. Some people do. But in this case, you still need to make sure that the base is skinny. So you would take, I suggest you take less lashes off the strip. But now we're gonna pinch these because that base is too thick to put on someone's individual lash. You will damage their lash like that. So you need to pinch good, put in the glue, swipe through, and this is still too thick for me. I wouldn't put this on no one's lash. That's too thick. Too thick. No, no. No good. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take less lashes. You could take a little more than this. Pinch. Skinny base. Dip. Swipe. Base is skinny like I like it. Now that's what you would put on somebody's natural lash. That other one, you better not dare put that on somebody's lash. And this is sticking to my tweezer, as you can see, but you see the concept of the skinny base. That's what you want. See, when this happens, this is when I get my nail filer. I'm gonna do this. Get that glue off. I'm going to tape down Yodi J's lashes. Like that. Get your gel remover. It doesn't say how long to leave it on, Usually 5 minutes, less than that. I don't put this gel directly on no one's lashes. And then let it sit, and I'll be right back. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. So what I would do is take the tape, pull it forward. Sometimes your lashes may come off on the tape, may not. Get your tweezers and start removing. You're gonna just gently pull down to remove. Gently, do not pull. No. Just gently pull them down and they'll come off. This probably has to sit a little longer, but you see they are coming off. And that's what you want. After all your lashes are off, you then take your final steps of cleaning. You're gonna wash the lashes with your lash shampoo and properly clean the natural lash before putting on a new set. So guys, that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about volume lashes, be sure to hit me in the comment section. I will answer any questions. Check out my other video on how to make volume lashes as well. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of other lash videos you would like to see. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. See you guys later.